Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and speak to you about one of the most important elements right now in social media. If you're thinking about making money and if you're thinking about making $500 per day from dropshipping by using TikTok, this is the video for you. If you have not checked out our other videos, I would suggest for you to check them out. I'm going to give you a complete breakdown step by step of exactly what you need to do to get that following, to get those audience, to show your products to those individuals that are going to buy it. Now, the strongest element right now in the social media industry are three apps. The first one is Facebook, Instagram, and the third is TikTok. How to use TikTok? How do you use it to monetize it, to get your audience to the Shopify account? How are you going to do that? I'm going to tell you in this video. If you've not subscribed to the channel right now, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you've not checked out the description, go ahead and check the description out and click on the link and get Shopify for 90 days and make your account, because that's the first step that you need to do. The second thing that you need to do is, if you don't have a TikTok account, create a TikTok account, because this is the platform that is being used by every single drop shipper out there right now, and they're utilizing the power of TikTok to the maximum, and they're converting their loyal customers from their TikTok to their Shopify account, and they're making them loyal customers. What do you got to do? It's quite simple. The first thing that you must do is research. Now, research is the fundamental principle upon which a successful business is actually built on. If you don't do research, if you don't find out a particular product, if you don't find out how that product is doing, if you don't find out what you can do with it and how you can sell it, you won't be able to make money. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $500 per day. But the first thing that you need to understand is research. Head over to TikTok and find those products that individuals are selling. Find those products that people have spent money on marketing and made them viral. Now, this particular product that we're looking at right now is a product which is called Monkey. Now, the Monkey shop has 598,000 followers and 10.6 million likes with an 8% average engagement rate. Now, this is the best toy on TikTok right now, and obviously the Monkey is taking TikTok by storm. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the amount of individuals that are engaging. This particular video, it has gotten 371,800 views. This video has gotten 520,800 views. And obviously these are massive numbers that people are looking at right now. And obviously these are those monkeys that everyone want to get, because they're going viral and people are talking about it. And the only reason why they're doing it, because it is available on TikTok. So if you have an account, all you need to do is get this product and start making videos of this product and put it on your TikTok, and then get this product and put it on your Shopify account, and then direct your audience to your Shopify account by clicking on reply to and going to the Shopify account, or giving the link of your Shopify account, and they'll be able to find it. This video has gotten 8.3 million views. Just imagine, even if 100 individuals or 10,000 individuals or 50,000 individuals bought this particular product for $1, you would have made $50,000. But obviously, if they bought it for $10, you would have made $500,000. So that's a $500,000 that you can easily get instantly by getting a product that people are talking about, people are looking at, and people find interesting. But the thing over here that you have to keep in mind is the strategy that you need to use. And the strategy comes from visiting this particular page. Now, this is the monkeyshop.com. This is their actual page, and you get 50% off when you shop on monkeyshop.com. Now, what is the Monkey is the first question. This is the stretchiest, most compressible, and ultra squishy toy that you will ever lay your hands on. So clearly this has a market and people are looking at it. The original market price is 56 Canadian dollars. So this is what it's being sold at, but you're not going to buy it for 68 Canadian dollars, because this is what the Monkey Shop is selling it for. If anyone wants to buy it, they can buy it from Monkey Shop. Why should they buy it from you? You will find this product online by using different methodologies, either on AliExpress or on Zendrop or Eparolo, and get this product bare minimum. So the cheaper that you get it and the more expensive you sell it is your profit margin. So for example, if you scroll up over here, you will see the price of it is going to be $56. So this is not the price you're going to sell it on. You might sell it for $40, you will sell it for $45, but you will get it below $40. You'll get it for maybe for $20 or $15. And obviously the margin that you're going to get is massive. And imagine if 8 million people are watching your TikTok where you're showing this product and they're converting from there to your Shopify store and buying it from there, you'll be able to make more than $500 per day. That is the beauty of the e-commerce shop, and that is the beauty of having the internet in today's time, because you can do all of this from the comfort of your home and get the financial freedom that you've always dreamed of. The thing that you need to keep in mind is the fact that the product needs to be very well made. The product and the quality needs to be really good, because you want to make sure that you get individuals, you get customers that are loyal, because if someone buys that product from you, they will definitely recommend that product to someone else. So the second product I'm going to show you guys is a very interesting product. This is called the Aqua Razor. Now the Aqua Jet Razor is something that has been talked about with a lot of people. They have 120,600 followers with 9.1 million likes and a 3% average engagement rate. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different uses of this particular razor. This is a jet razor. This is unique. This is something people are talking about making videos of, and you can easily ride this wave. Now the thing that you have to keep in mind, and this is a tip I'm going to give you guys, never go for products that people are not advertising. Never go for products which are dead, because either you're going to spend a lot of money on your marketing, and obviously that's going to blow the money out of your hands, because that is the money that you're going to invest in getting inventory. So go for the products that people are already talking about, people are marketing on their TikToks, and ride the waves, because they've already done the hard work. What you're doing now is going in sequence with them, because they might be selling it for a higher price. You might decrease the price slightly and decrease your profit margin, but you're not spending that much on advertising, because it really balances out at the end of the day. They would get a bigger share of the cake, but you will definitely get a piece of a cake. A piece is better than not having any cake at all, because you got to keep in mind some of these elements before you get into business, because business in itself is one of the most important elements that you will ever do in your life. And there's certain dynamics you have to keep in mind when you get into business. And the most important is always look at the bigger players, see what they're doing, understand the strategies that they're implementing, and based on those strategies, you develop your own strategies. And based on those strategies, you're able to scale your business, and obviously over a period of time to take it to new heights. But you need to understand the steps. You need to follow the steps. And that is the reason why we're making these videos for you guys, to ensure that you have the proper information and the proper products that you can use to scale your Shopify account. If you've not clicked on the description, guys, go ahead and click on the description and click on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, because this indeed is an opportunity of a lifetime, because you will never again be able to get this offer if you don't avail it right now. So let's head over to the website for Aqua Jet Razor. Now this is the razor that's available. You can clearly see the cartridges are being sold out. The Aqua Jet is for $39.99, and obviously for the women one, which is for $39.99. So obviously you can sell the cartridges, you can sell the blades as well, or you can get the razor and sell it as well. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the full information regarding the men, the women, the support that's available, and the links and the instructions that needs to be given. So this is the main element. You don't need to buy it from here, but you can always get the information from here. Find it on AliExpress, find it on Zendrop, find it on a place that is selling it for a lower price. Get it from there, increase your profit margin. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out, to help you, support you, and guide you. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, so more people can find out the best product that you can get and make $500 per day by dropshipping. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.